How to create a Google Doc spreadsheet. So if you want to create a Google Doc spreadsheet, then what you need to do is first you just need to simply open up your browser, go with the upper right, which has your Google apps, and then scroll down, go with the Drive section. Once you click on Drive, you'll have drive.google.com. You just need to simply go with New, go with Google Sheets. And once you go with Google Sheets, you'll get this kind of interface where you just need to simply go with the name, which is right here, Untitled Spreadsheet. You need to simply go with it and then give it a name. For example, I'll be just writing test. And after that, you can just simply go and enter some details. And once you enter your details, you can just simply go with the file, which is on the upper left. And you can also move this file to the other location. If you go with move, you just need to simply select the folder where you would like to move this, and it will automatically be saved on your cloud. So that's how you can create a Google Docs spreadsheet. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.